bag and shoe, $144.99. It's a good idea to buy the shoes because the shoes cost $6 a game to rent. You got your own shoes, you're money ahead. This is a really good bowling alley because look at the space between the walkway up here and the actual bowling. That's what every bowling alley should be. But some of them are so congested right there that you can't hardly breathe in there. All you can bowl, $15, Monday through Thursday, 9:30 to midnight. Shoes are included. Wow, $15 per person, 9:30 to midnight, Monday through Thursday. That's a good deal. Shoes included. Wow, $15 total.
Order to number 87, number 87.
And then you can get some beers and some wine, and it's all cheap. It's good family fun. He's gonna get that spare. Yep. $52 lanes, 5-2. There's plenty of them that have more than 52, but really none of them that have this much space for you to bowl, come out, have a slice of pizza, drink your beer, and not get in the way of the people that are bowling. Cheeseburgers, $10.99. 6-piece wings, $14.99. No, 8-piece wings, $14.99. Typical. Not great, not terrible. Oh, they don't want the cheerleaders practicing up here.
Order for number 88, number 88.
Early bird, $2 per game, 9 a.m. to noon. So that's the same as their sister property, Gold Coast. The regular price is on the weekend is $7.25 per game. Shoe rental is $6.50. Got to buy those shoes so you can quit renting. Check this out.